This is a WordPress template. Just a basic template loaded onto my server, and it takes almost 3 seconds to load. And if you notice, the performance is really bad. So I decided I was going to use one of the templates from MobiFirst, and I created this. Look at the difference. I created this with the MobiFirst template straight out of the box. And you can see, look at the difference. 2.59 for the WordPress site, 976 milliseconds. That's less than a second to load this. So now I would ask you to look at your analytics, your bounce rate, and of course, do a pingdom test. That's the tool that I like using. See how fast or how slow your current websites load. Like any website, the more things you add to it, the slower it's going to load. But if you create your mobile first sites as shown here in the onboarding steps and using one of the hundreds of other video tutorials in our members area, and if you load your videos as explained, you'll find your MobiFirst sites will be super fast, visually amazing, as well as automatically optimized, saving you hours of work and helping you with Google's new mobile index ranking to have your MobiFirst sites up quickly and in the search results. Now, I could go on, but as you've seen, MobiFirst is exactly what Google's looking for. Every single page on every website I've created loads under 3 seconds, and the majority load under 2. The shift has happened. Are your sites mobile first? And as Scotty, our CEO, is fond of saying, if you aren't mobile first, you're mobile last.